You hate yourself in anxiety, depressed and messed to death. You'd open up and welcome wide with a smile. They told you it's clinical, but I seem so critical. I wish I could convince the thoughts that you keep on believing were a lie. There you go, so broken and alone. You walk with your head held so low. You wanna give in most of the days, and that's okay. But I hope you see someday that you are beautiful anyway. Clearer how crazy and amazing you are, and then let it inside. It can be scientific, well, trust me, no, I get it, but I won't agree when you tell me you don't deserve a life. There you go, feeling so broken. Someday that you are beautiful anyway. Raise your hands, take a second and breathe in, singing I'm here for a reason. Raise your hands, take a second and breathe in, singing hallelujah, I'm known and loved. Raise your hands, take a second and breathe in, singing I'm here for a reason. Raise your hands, take a second and breathe in, singing hallelujah, I'm known and loved. Raise your hands, take a second and breathe in, singing I'm here for a reason. Raise your hands, take a second and breathe in, singing hallelujah, I'm known and loved. Raise your hands, take a second and breathe in, singing I'm here for a reason. In a way you fly, free with your head held so high, 'cause you never let up the fight, and you never gave in on those days in the pain. That's what makes this life so wonderfully awesome and horribly awful, yet somehow it's beautiful anyway.